Doctors are replacing a worn-out shoulder with an artificial joint. Imagine feeling pain every time you lift your arm, reach for a shelf, or even put on a shirt. For people with severe shoulder arthritis or major joint damage, these simple movements can become almost impossible. When medications, physical therapy, and injections no longer provide relief, doctors may recommend shoulder replacement surgery. The goal is to remove the damaged parts of the shoulder joint and replace them with smooth, artificial components that move comfortably and reduce pain. The surgery begins after the patient receives anesthesia, so they remain asleep and pain-free throughout the procedure. The surgeon makes an incision over the front of the shoulder and carefully moves the muscles aside to reach the joint. Every important nerve and blood vessel is protected during this step. Once the shoulder joint is exposed, the surgeon examines the damage. Years of arthritis or injury may have worn away the smooth cartilage that normally covers the ends of the bones. Without this protective layer, the bones rub directly against each other, causing pain, stiffness, and limited movement. The first bone to be treated is the upper arm bone, called the humerus. The damaged ball-shaped head of the humerus is carefully removed. The inside of the bone is then prepared to hold a strong metal stem. Next, a smooth metal ball is attached to the top of the stem, creating a new artificial ball that will replace the damaged one. The surgeon then turns attention to the shoulder socket, called the glenoid. Any remaining damaged cartilage is removed, and the surface is carefully reshaped. A durable plastic socket is then secured to the shoulder blade. This smooth surface allows the new metal ball to glide easily during movement. Before finishing the operation, the surgeon gently moves the shoulder through its full range of motion. This ensures the new joint is stable, properly aligned, and moves smoothly without slipping out of place. Once everything looks perfect, the incision is closed with stitches and a protective dressing is applied. The arm is placed in a sling to keep the shoulder safe while healing begins. After surgery, physical therapy plays a very important role. Patients gradually perform gentle exercises to restore strength, flexibility, and movement. Recovery usually takes several months, but each week the shoulder becomes stronger and more comfortable. For most patients, shoulder replacement surgery brings dramatic pain relief, improved mobility, and the ability to return to everyday activities like dressing, eating, lifting light objects, and even enjoying hobbies that had become too painful before. By replacing a worn-out joint with carefully designed artificial parts, surgeons give patients the chance to move their shoulder with far less pain and a much better quality of life.